Sanibona bafethu, so namhlanje ngithole umbiko yabo oshisayo. Abantu abaningi bawujabulela lo mbiko lo. Mhlawumbe abanye bangawugxeka bathi hawo kanjani manje because this guy didn't do anything special with Orlando Pirates. But ke bafethu, Orlando Pirates kuthiwa they are negotiating with the former Orlando Pirates coach osekuba coach Orlando Pirates before uRhulani Mkwena. Yabo siyamazi uRhulani Mkwena bafethu. He once coached the Mamelodi Sundowns and won many trophies with the Sundowns. Abo Nedbank, yabo MTN, abo DStv Premiership. Yabo umjida CV yakhe i-correct. CV yakhe i-correct. Njengoba sazi sonke ke Orlando Pirates coach Jose Riveiro is leaving Orlando Pirates at the end of the season. Contract yake, he decided not to renew his contract. He joined Orlando Pirates back in 2022 and he has won MTN amathathu, 2 Nedbank Cups, and final Nedbank Cup usekuyona uyodlala against Kaizer Chiefs. Right now we semi-final ye-CAF Champions League. So uyayishiya Orlando Pirates ngokwakhe ubone ngathi use fulfill each and everything like Orlando Pirates. Yabo. So Orlando Pirates ke ifuna ucoach ezomreplace lo mjida lo. Sengakhuluma ngocoach wale Portugal. I did a video about that, but again Rhulani Mkwena is in the top list right now. The Orlando Pirates are negotiating to bring back Rhulani Mkwena. But Rhulani Mkwena right now, he is coaching Wydad Casablanca. Coaching Wydad Casablanca, but again, Wydad Casablanca, banenking. Yabo. Banenking. Ngezwe him to Rhulani Mkwena might leave Wydad Casablanca at the end of the season. He won't get the chance to coach Wydad Casablanca leg with FIFA Club World Cup. Ngiyazi alithole lithuba lela elifuna lokuthi ayicoache against Man City because siyamazi Rhulani ucoach amthandayo emhlabeni jikelele uPep Guardiola. Yabo, even the style of play adlala uRhulani Mkwena sicishe sifane nesaPep Guardiola. Yabo, so uRhulani Mkwena bafethu kuthiwa uzoshiya kwiWydad Casablanca because of the results awalethayo laphana. Yabo, ushintsho akekho ucoach mfethu ongathola umsebenzi onzima kanje. Each and every coach angafaila. Wydad Casablanca kwahamba bonke abadlali ababekhona. uRhulani Mkwena kwakumele ayi-rebuild leya team on his own. Rebuilding the team, buying new players. Each and every player, buying each and every new player. The players I remember wabathenga olomjida lo. uCassius Mayilula, Thembinkosi Lorch. There's this defender eyedlalela iSundowns yase Morocco uyangikhohlwa igama layo. Uba omunye ngimaziyo. I think those are the 3 players uRhulani afika nabo engibaziyo. Maybe there are some players bangale. Yabo. So yeah, mfethu uRhulani Mkwena is in the top list of coaches engenzeka bezele. But ke umbuzo ula, ngabe uzofitha yini ku style of play Orlando Pirates sidlala manje? Mina ngokwami ngazama ukuphendula lo mbuzo. Yes, masubheke indlela adlala ngakhona uJose Riveiro. Ibhola lidlalayo lecishe elifane nelakhe uRhulani Mkwena. Orlando Pirates manje isiyakwazi ukuqala ibhola emuva. Mwasubheka uRhulani Mkwena ayikho into ethini azoyenza kuOrlando Pirates because they are players. They are already players who are there who know how to play the style of football uRhulani Mkwena athanda ukudlala. Because uJose Riveiro, he's the Spanish tactician who comes from Spain and he plays the Spanish football. He knows how to play Spanish football. And uRhulani Mkwena is on a style of play sakhe leso. Yabo. So it was hard for uRhulani to instill a style of play like Wydad Casablanca. Yabo, because it was a new team ebengakwazi ukudlala style of play lesi. So when it comes to Orlando Pirates, vele the tools are already there. The technical team is already there. Yena nje sukufaka lo matchups lawo nalawo edala obadlali lapho nalapho. Yabo. So singesazi will the guy fit at the Orlando Pirates team or will he fail? Angazi ungangitshela ama comments ngokwakho, but for me I feel like umjida akwazi ukufitha le system Orlando Pirates. Yabo, even though the last time he coached Orlando Pirates he didn't succeed. Yabo, he didn't succeed, but again right now I feel like Orlando Pirates is leso states leso sokuthi iwine ama major trophies. Orlando Pirates isihlangene right now. Kodwa abadlali aba few touches to form a dominant team. Yabo, ngangitshela ama comments ngokwakho, do you think uRhulani Mkwena is going to be the guy who will bring a change to Orlando Pirates njengoba khamba uJose Riveiro or Orlando Pirates mekuhamba uJose Rivera Orlando Pirates izobheda futhi. Wangitshela kuma comments bafethu uva neSports lo ngiyabonga ngesupport eninginika yona bafethu.